Introducing the Scooty Eco Deluxe, the brand new scooter from Scooty Mobility. Easy to put in and out of the car, fits in virtually any car. Only 13.5 kilos. Easy to use, easy to drive. A fabulous lightweight scooter this is. Big padded seat, nice comfortable seat with armrests. Includes a spare battery that's kept stowed under the seat, so you've always got a spare one if you run out of the main one. That's included in the price, so you've got up to a 12-mile range. And includes a front basket. The fabulous Scooty Eco Deluxe.